So this is what I use, a glue gun. These are things I already bought off OfferUp, so I saw the potential and I was like, okay, I can work with this. So I got flowers to basically replace all the blue, because it is a girl, and glue sticks. That is how the stand looks. I didn't like the blue. I already knew off the bat I was gonna rip that off. And then these are some supplies I already kind of had. I ended up using the glitter stuff, or the glitter stickers. I was debating whether I wanted to use that or if I wanted to use this vine. I did end up using the glitter though. And scissors, of course. I couldn't find my actual scissors, so I used kitchen scissors. Butterflies that I thought I was going to use didn't end up using. And then, of course, the blue flowers had to go. I was going to take off the yellow ones too, but I decided not to after taking out my backdrop and realizing the yellow actually went with the theme really well. And then these are the flowers that I'm just putting side by side with the backdrop to make sure that they actually do, you know, have the color scheme on the same, you know. And then these are the flowers. I just untangled them basically. Then I adjusted them to how I wanted it to look or be presented. I super glued them down. So that's just me showing y'all me doing that process and then adjusting the flower to make it look pretty, you know. At that point I got all of them. Once I knew what it was gonna look like, I grabbed all of them and I ripped off the bottom of it because that blue was just, it wasn't it. And then it was cute glittery stuff, right? But it's a girl, so she's gonna have pink, not blue. And at this point, this is when I started ripping off all the flowers for every single centerpiece, which was a little time consuming but definitely worth it. At that point also I had to use scissors because I was losing my patience. And then again I just super glued them down. This is me just super gluing the flower down. Some of them were a little harder to glue down than the others, only because of placement. But there was times where I literally just had to put the littlest amount of glue and then it stuck on. These are one of those examples where I barely put any glue on there and it was able to stay. I did go back though and I did add more glue because I don't want them to easily fall off or rip off, or like someone touching them and then it like literally is so flimsy it falls off. So I did adjust, but this is just me just placing down all of the flowers. And yeah, that's what I did. And this is me showing you guys the end result. This is how I ended up wanting to arrange every single one of them, with the dusty rose flower at the very top of all of them. And then at this point I'm showing me putting the rhinestones on them. Again, I wanted to add a little something, but I didn't want to do too much of ribbon or anything like that, so I just added that little rhinestone sticker and it was perfect. I thought it would completed the look beautifully. Again, it's a girl, so it was definitely giving me girl vibes, and it's a little touch of me and my femininity because I love glitter stuff. So this is the before and these are the after. I hope you guys enjoyed. The stuff I got, the flowers, were at my local craft store. It was the Norwalk Dollar across the street from the North Gate. But this is it.